What's up, you guys? What's up, Skinny Boy Randy? How you doing today? What's up, you guys? Thank you so much for being here. Hey, you guys, Skinny Boy Randy, how you doing today? Thank you so much for being here. You could be anywhere in the garden universe, but you choose to spend a little bit of time with this Skinny Boy Randy, and I greatly appreciate it. Thank you so much for being here, you guys. How you doing today? I hope you're blessed, safe, having a great, growing, blessed, and prosperous day, you guys. Yes. How you doing? Hope you're safe. Hope your family's safe. I love you. If nobody told you today that they love you, I love you. Each and every one of you watching, I love you. Thank you so much for being here. I hope you're blessed. Anyway, if you're new to my channel, click that like and subscribe button, you guys. Yep. Go ahead. Let's get this out the way. Click the like and subscribe. Leave a thumbs up, thumbs down. Just that's 2 middle fingers. Okay. Thank you, guys. All right. Head on over to my Facebook group. Gardening with Skinny Boy Randy, beginners and experts. I welcome over there as well. Yes, you guys, I'm going to do a quick video today. We're going to try something very different. I'm going to show you how to grow food indoors in 5 minutes. We're not going to do a whole bunch of talking. We're going to do a whole bunch of walking. Okay. Thank you so much for being here. So let's just go ahead and get started. If you're new, you guys, all you got to do is get you some seeds, okay? We're going to try to do this in 5 minutes or less, all right? So I know you're probably going to time me, and somebody's going to say you went 5 minutes and 1 second. And you know what? I might do. But anyway, start off with your seeds. Order you some seeds, you guys. Baker Creek has some great seeds. I love this book. You can get all kinds of seeds out there. Start thinking about next year. Get your seeds. Let's get on down in the workspace, you guys. Starting seeds indoors is very simple. Get you some seed starting mix, which is pretty much some peat moss or either cocoa coir with a little bit of vermiculite for moisture, little water. I'm going to show you all this real quick, you guys. There's a video on everything on my channel. Get your little water. Make your little indentation in your soil. Plant your seed, okay? It's not hard growing food indoors, you guys. And times are getting tight, y'all. We might be in another lockdown. Who knows? Cover your seed up just like that. Your seeds are done. The most important thing when growing your seeds, you guys, I can't stress enough, is the light. That's what's going to have your plants successful. And I'm going to show you how close that you need that light to your plants. I know you guys just were on the floor. If you have a shop light like this, you want this so close. And the easiest way I can show you is grab you 2 rolls of toilet tissue. Put one down at one end and one at the other, okay? You should have plenty because you done bought it all out the stove, okay? Put that light on one end and the other like that. That's how close, you guys. That's how close you want it. And if you have a little small space in an apartment, you can do this, see? You can do this. Just a regular roll of toilet paper, or you can just use the roll, once you've used all the tissue, you can just use the little tube. And as your plants get bigger, let me get you back so you can see. As your plants get bigger, you just add another roll. And you can go up higher. Just like that. Okay? All right? But that's the most important thing. You're lighting. If your lighting is not there, the plants will not believe that it's summertime or springtime or whatever time of season it's supposed to be for them. So I have all types of things growing. Cucumbers, we're going to plant this up. Parsley, mint, dill, basil, peppers, strawberries. Yeah, you guys, plain and simple. In about 4 to 6 weeks, your seedlings will start to look like this. You want to get them potted up. And potting up simply means getting your pot, your soil, just like that. Give it a pressing. And I'm not going to disturb the roots on this. I'm just going to push it out of the bottom like that. Leaving it just like that. Look at those beautiful roots. And I think there's some more cucumbers in there. And I'm transplanting these. They're just about to get their first true leaves. I'm going to sit it right on top of here like that. And then come around like so. I'm not disturbing any of the roots. And this is our cucumber plant, you guys, we just planted a few days ago. That we're going to grow indoors under grow light. Okay? And I'm just going to press it in. Uh-oh, I'm on overtime. Press it in like that. I'm going to give it some water, but of course I'm going to get more water than that, you guys. Way more than that. And we've just potted up our cucumber. Then I'm going to take it, and it would be under the grow light, which is going to be right here. Thank you guys so much for being here. Hope you're having a great, growing, blessed, and prosperous day. And there's the grow light. Oh, let's turn it off. Sorry, you guys. And she's gonna rest right here under that grow light. See how close I have it? I can get even closer. All the way down there like that. And there you have it. Gardening 101. Start you some food, you guys. Grow indoors. I love you. I think I made it under 5 minutes. You're the best. Remember, live, love, laugh, you guys. Grow stuff and eat it. I'm going to pull all this stuff up. But just wanted to give you a quick update on how you can grow your food indoors, you guys. Take what you have and make it work. All you really need is that light. Get that light, you guys. Have a great, growing, blessed, and prosperous day. You're the best.